Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find any AI tool easily in 2025 using Toolify AI. If you're struggling to keep up with the thousands of new AI tools, this video will show you how you can use Toolify AI Tools Hub 2025 to find any AI tool instantly. Every day, new AI tools launch. There are image generators, video editors, voice AIs, and no-code apps. So instead of wasting hours searching, Toolify helps you find the best AI tool in seconds. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how you can search for any AI tool, filter by category, and discover trending AI tools. So first, you can just go to toolify.ai, this page, and then this is the official AI Tools Hub. And you can just type in what you need, like text to video, AI website builder, or AI music generator. And Toolify will instantly show the best tools available. I'm going to just click on Toolify options. Let's say I'm going to find AI music generator. Click on this one, and as you guys can see, Toolify will give you the options, and if you want something specific, you can use the filters. You can sort by categories. This one in here. You can also sort by the most saved, the best, recent, or relevant, or choose the type, whether it's website, browser extension, or apps. And if you want to find a trending AI tools, you can just scroll down to see the trending AI tools. And here, let's go to the home page first. You can just see the trending. This is the free AI tools by category. So you can just use filter in here whether you want AI for video and animation, writing and editing, or marketing or advertising. Here you can scroll down again to see the feature one and also the trending. That's how we can easily find any AI tool in 2025 using Toolify AI Hub. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!